Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix telescreen recording issues in 2026. Yeah, if your recordings aren't capturing your screen properly, lagging, or showing a black screen, don't worry. This guide will help you get everything working smoothly because, honestly, clear and reliable screen recording is essential for tutorials, presentations, and content creation. So first, check your device and browser permissions. Make sure Tella has permission to capture your screen. Without proper access, recordings may fail or display incorrectly, which is one of the most common reasons for this problem. Next, close unnecessary apps or tabs. Yeah, running multiple programs can use up memory and cause lag or crashes, so keeping your system light improves performance while recording. After that, update Tella and your browser or app. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, so always make sure you're using the latest version for smooth functionality. Also, check your screen resolution and display settings. Yeah, some high-resolution setups or multiple monitors can create issues, so try recording with a single display or adjusting resolution if needed. And yeah, restart Tella and your device. So a quick reboot can clear temporary glitches that prevent recordings from working properly. Finally, test recording in short clips first. Most of the time, following these steps fixes screen recording issues, letting you capture clean, professional content for tutorials, demos, or presentations. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.